Okay, there's something I'm excited about. I was watching uh, the Mrs. the Doll, I think her name is, and she said she had heard about Dollar General makeup. So I started looking it up, and Emily Noel, who grew up, in a small town, I think on a farm, she said, like Dollar General was the only store. And they had asked her if she could, promote the product, but they had said this a while ago, and she never got anything. And then all of a sudden, boom, she got it. So far, they're saying none of the Dollar Generals have it, but the Mrs. Doll found it. And I have two Dollar Generals near me, and one by my brother's because I have some doctors out there too. And it was in all of them. I found them in all. They had just come out last week here, but they're still missing a couple of items, especially the nail polish called Roulette. It is a gorgeous purple rainbow shimmer glitter nail polish, and they still haven't gotten that in. They've gotten everything except that. I had $100 on my gas card that I tell you that I get a gas card, and so I spent the $100. So there's still some more stuff I want to get, especially the nail polish. But let me show you. So I had $130 actually. I got this. I ordered it from Walmart. A gorgeous lavender acrylic, and the Dollar General makeup called Believe Me is all in here, and I still want to get some more stuff. I did just get more money on my card, so if you've been following me for a while, you know that I get this like it's kind of like a gift card. And it's with a gas reimbursement program, and so I spent the whole $130 on this. I ordered it free shipping, and let me show you what I got. And like I said, there are some more things I want to get. So this is glass. Everything is $4.99 and under. This is glass. Each individual one has this, so you don't steal. And it's like right near the register, so if you try to steal, I guess they can see you. So they had about 10 shades, and I chose soft beige. Since I protect my face from the sun because I'm getting older, because I don't want to get cancer, because my mom gets sunspots, so it's hereditary. My face has not been tanning, so I usually get a medium, and it's been really dark for me this past couple of years. So, and surprisingly, I live in Texas, so you'd think it'd get darker, but I protect my face from the sun. Although lately I haven't been, and I'm getting old, so I do not want that. But I can only now have to get like lighter colors, so I got a soft beige. I have to get light to medium concealer, so they have the concealer too, and it looks like some of the high brand stuff, but they're all under $5. I got this mauve, they didn't have purple, so I got the mauve liquid lipstick. I got this nice lavender frost lip gloss. Like I said, I didn't see any purples. And then this is plum. Okay, it's still sealed, but it's plum, but it's a soft plum lipstick. See, I didn't realize it was sealed that well. And see, it's got this protection thing on it, so nobody steals it. So I'm sorry I couldn't open it, but they did have a pastel lavender purple lilac nail polish called Chakra. So I got that. Black is just too dark for my brow, so I got ash brown. That's the brow pencil. And then this is the lip liner in plum. Metallic liquid liner in a plum color. And then a regular black pencil liner. They have a sponge applicator. Okay. A setting spray. A primer. And they have a blue and an aqua. And they almost look the same, but this is the aqua. And it says it's a corrector, but at the same time, I don't think it is. They have a pink one that's a long-lasting, and the blue one, I can't remember what that one's for, and this one just says primer. So I do want to try the pink one because it's supposed to be can last longer, and it is freaking hot here. I got the light medium powder. I got this as a bronzer, but I think it's gonna be kind of light. It's Hawaiian. This is called Hawaiian Glow. So I think I wanted it as a contour, but I think it's gonna be more of a bronzy shimmer color. I think I got the lightest one. I maybe should have got the darkest if I wanted to use it as a contour. Then I got their only purple palette. They had a purple, a metallic, smoky with the blacks and the blues, and then they had a nude one, which the nude one was sold out, and I went to 3 of them. So they said they get shipments on Friday, and they did just get a shipment this past Friday, but they still haven't gotten that purple glitter polish. They said I called them up, but this is the purple, but it's more of like mauves. And then they had all different, I think maybe 8 colors of, this is a glimmer pot. It's like a more shimmery shadow. And, since it wasn't completely full, I thought this was black, but it's actually a dark blackish plum. And supposedly it's shimmery and glittery. I would like to get a few more of these. Let's see. So they have 4 brushes. They have a foundation brush. I just got these, I think, on Thursday or Friday. And then they have a powder brush. An all-over eyeshadow brush, which is kind of wide. People say this is probably for really packing on color. And then, of course, the blending brush, which I always use for contouring. So I got the highlighter. This was the lightest color they had. It's called Pop of Pink. It's a white with a pink duochrome. And I got the darkest blush, which was plum. They had pink too. I tried looking for the thickest lashes they had. So they have falsies, and they had like 6 different kinds of mascaras. So I got this one because it says high fiber, and fiber thickens your lashes and builds on your lashes to make your lashes look fuller and thicker. So that's what I got. And charcoal wipes. They also had micellar water wipes. So I do want to go back and get some more stuff. Like they had brow gel, brow powder. They had the micellar wipes. They had a contour stick, a highlighting stick. Because I picked this thinking it'd be good for a contour, but now that I look at it, I think it was the lightest color, because too often I buy the dark color and then it's too much, but something tells me that's going to be too soft. But so yeah, so they had like highlighting stick, contour stick. They had a like a little highlighter, bronzer, blush set that I didn't get, that I want to get. I want to get that purple glitter polish, but they still don't have that. I'm trying to think what else. So they have the brow gel, the brow powder. So yeah, and I might like to get a couple of more colors of the lip products, and I'm thinking about either getting the smoky blues or the nude. So yeah, I don't really want the metallic ones, just like all different colors. So from what I've seen on YouTube, the girls are saying it's really pigmented who have tried this. So yeah, really excited to try this. I'm definitely going to do this next week. But I do want to get a few more things. So yeah, so I just wanted to show that to you. And, again, I'm sorry that I haven't gotten swatches out. I was, taking care of business last week, had a couple of appointments, and then I had my son's graduation. Really proud of him. So I told him he could take a break for the rest of this month. Next month, you got to get on the ball to get his permit and learn how to drive. In the meantime, he's gonna get a job. We live right next to a shopping strip. It's like, walking like half a block away, maybe, or a block away is the shopping strip, so he can get a job and save money for a car and whatnot. So yeah, so so that's what was happening last week. And then this week, I'm gonna definitely, I want to get swatches of this too, get swatches of the Crystal camera collection, and because I only have one appointment this week. So okay, I will see you guys next week. I'm trying to think if I have appointments next week. I don't think I do. Maybe. I don't know. Anyway. Okay. Love you all. Mwah.